Dear students, I am going to make separate video for English medium students. Today, let us try to understand a new topic, challenges to national integration or obstacles to national integration. The first point, regionalism. Regionalism refers to an extreme loyalty to a particular region. There are wide regional differences. When a person moves from the one part of the country to another, he finds himself to be a foreigner. He finds himself as an outsider. So we can understand the impacts of regionalism with some examples. Demand for separate nation. Many states demanded for separate nations. For example, Madras state demanded for separate nation known as Dravidstan, and also Sikh community of Punjab demanded for separate nation known as Khalistan. Bodo land of Assam and Kashmir demanded for separate nation, and also some parts of states demanded for separate statehood. For example, Bundelkhand of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha of Maharashtra, Gorkhaland of West Bengal. Similarly, some union territories also demanded for full-fledged statehood. For example, Delhi. So, such demands or such struggle for separate nations, separate statehood, and separate full-fledged statehood, these lead to disintegration of entire nation, or such conflicts or such demands become detrimental to the national integration. Then let us try to understand the second challenge of national integration is that communalism. Communalism is nothing but communalism is an antagonism practiced by the members of one religious community against the members of other religious community. That is called communalism. Abdul Ahmad and others have explained that communalism as an ideological tool for propagation of economic and political interest. According to them, it is an instrument in the hands of upper class to concentrate power by dividing people. British also used such policy of divide and rule. We can understand some impacts of communalism. The British also, already I have told you, British also used such kind of the policy of divide and rule, which caused a lot of which caused a lot of damage and also a great setback to the progress of nation. And also we can understand the impacts of what are the impacts of communalism. The impacts of communalism is it strikes at the root of secularism. And second one, it leads to mutual distrust and it creates conflicts or clashes among the people of different religions. And also it destroys the peace and order in society. So, this kind of communalism, the feelings of communalism become detrimental to the national integration or obstacle to the national integration. Then, third point, third challenges to national integration is that linguism. Linguism implies one-sided love and admiration towards one's own languages and prejudices and hatreds towards other languages. So, such kind of diversity of feelings, diversity of languages create such kind of diversity of languages creates conflicts or clashes among the people of different languages, and also it poses the threat to the national integration. Then let us try to understand. The fourth one, extremism and terrorism. First, let us try to understand the meaning of extremism. Extremism refers to a violent. Extremism refers to a violent and harmful means to fulfill one's objectives is called extremism. What? Extremism? Extremism is nothing but it's a violent and harmful means to fulfill one's objectives. To fulfill one's objectives is called extremism. And terrorism, the word itself indicates the meaning of terrorism. Terror means fear, panic. Terror means panic or fear. Terrorism has been defined as violent behavior which creates fear in the minds of people of community for political purposes, or an organized group or party seeks to achieve avowed aims, or avowed aims means declared aims through the systematic use of violence is called terrorism. According to Ram Ahuja, there are four types of terrorism. The first one is Khalistan oriented terrorism. The second point, Kashmir terrorism. The third point, Naxalite terrorism in Bengal. The fourth one, Ulfa terrorism in Assam. So such kind of terrorism or terrorist killed many people. Already such kind of horrible incidents occurred in past days. There were many examples about the impacts of terrorism, about the horrible results of terrorism. So many the people, so many innocent people were killed by the terrorists. And so these are the extremism and terrorism. These are the most formidable challenges which emerged during the recent years. And also such terrorism leads to destruction of public property also. So these are the horrible problems. So such kind of extremism and terrorism become detrimental, or they become challenges to national integration, or they become obstacles to national integration. Then we can understand one more challenge that is called casteism. Casteism means it creates the casteism creates the feelings of high and low, pure and impure. The such kind of the feelings of differences, such kind of feelings of differences of feelings create conflict and clashes among the people of different caste. And also such feelings of casteism lead to animosities.